Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the music world. She is a famous singer-songwriter with a net worth of approximately $400 million. Well, how do we say their name correctly? We may pronounce it as Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is known for her narrative songwriting, has won numerous awards, including 11 Grammy Awards, and has sold over 50 million albums worldwide. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.